Hi, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be drawing a male king parrot. What a beautiful bird. I'm going to start with a circle for the eye and another circle. That's right, another circle inside is the pupil of the eye. Now I'm using a multi-liner. You could use a pencil or an outliner, it's up to you. And now I'm drawing a curved line coming around. That forms the head. And now I'm drawing another little curved line for the belly, coming back and around. And now I'm going to draw the top beak. Curved line comes down into a point and then back around. Now I also need to draw the bottom part of the beak. A couple of curved lines there. And now I'm going to draw the bottom part of the wing coming in to join back up there. Another curved line and another curved line coming into a point for the wing. Now some little, almost like J's, where I flick the end up to make it a thinner line for the feathers of the wing. Here we've just got a straight line, and I'm simplifying this king parrot down to make it a bit more cartoon-like, just like my girl king parrot that I drew. Now I've got to make sure I've got the long tail on, a couple of big long curved lines, and then the same process, flicking those lines down for the longer feathers of the tail. Time to put on the feet. So we've got the little top part of the legs there, and now we've got some claws, a couple of claws at the front and one for the back. Even though it's got two, you won't see the other one. And now it's going to be sitting on a branch. I actually based this picture on the king parrot that fed out of my hand. So rather than the finger, it's a branch. Don't forget to add the details that will make your drawing look amazing. And here we have the other foot. It's slightly smaller because it's back further. And then the branch is getting thinner as it goes back. And don't forget to add some texture, or what we call simulated texture, on the branch to make it look like it's wood, and some extra little details on the feet. And there you have a cool male king parrot, and it's now just time to add the beautiful colors of the parrot in.